What is going on, you guys? Alex here with EV Sportline, bringing you another video. Today we're in the back of our R1T and we're gonna be checking out our ring hook kit. This is gonna add a lot of functionality to your bed, especially when it comes to transporting items. This is gonna give you multiple different locations where you can add a tie down. These are gonna be super simple and quick to install in the factory locations in this bed. So let's go ahead, jump into it and show you how to do it. All right, to do this job, we only need a few tools. So we have a 5mm Allen wrench, we have a pick tool, and we have a 10mm socket. All right, and looking at our bed, we have 8 locations on the back wall where we could install our hooks. We also have one on each side of the lower portion of the bed sides here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this back wall. The process will be exactly the same for all of these locations. All right, so what we wanna do is take our pick tool and we're just gonna remove these plastic circular covers. You don't need to insert it very deep. We just wanna get underneath the edge and kind of start lifting and work our way around. Once we get separated a little bit, we can take our hook tool or a pick tool and pull out on the cover. Now all we have to do is take our 10mm socket and remove the bolt. So with the bolt and washer removed, we'll now take our new Allen hardware and a lock washer, drop the washer on, and we'll install the new ring hook base plate just like this. I want to make sure this side is facing out. All right, now we simply take the ring portion, which has a spring clip, and we'll slide it into the base plate. That should lock in just like that. Now we'll just repeat for the other locations. Now you'll notice on our tonneau cover for the R1T, which you can find also on evsportline.com, the mounting brackets actually include a mounting tab where you can incorporate these ring hooks as well for some additional mounting locations. Alright, and that does it for our install today on our ring hook kit for the Rivian R1T. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at evsportline.com. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more videos coming very soon. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.